cake?
No. You want pancake?
Yes.
Okay, I'll make. So good morning everyone. From today I'm going to do something new, something that I've not done on my channel and I've been wanting to do for a long time. Everything about it later in this video, but now let me just start making my daughter's tiffin. She's asked for, you heard it right, pancake.
Ooh, yummy.
Come on. Just see in your bag if there is any unnecessary books that you don't need to carry. Just remove it.
Dada,
Yeah.
it's 6:40.
Yeah. I'm done. Almost done. So just dropped my daughter to school and now let's just talk over a chai. Come sugar, eh? All right, so I've got done with my chai. I met one of my friend at the cafe and we just had a chai and chit chatted. And yeah, the announcement that I want to make is I am going to take up a challenge that I'll be shooting every day and I'll be uploading a video every day. In fact, I'm just going to do a daily vlog challenge. So I'll just keep it for the next 7 days. Okay, I will for the next 7 days you will see me every day in your feed, so do watch it. And first of all, hit the like button so that the YouTube algorithm notifies you or gets my video to you. And I just want to try to make it a habit of shooting and editing every day and uploading a video. Okay, and yes, the vlog will be just a normal vlog of me, my daily routine. And yes, food is the core part of my channel, so obviously there would be food. I will show you all what food I'll be cooking. Okay.
So you're saying you don't want to have breakfast, no? Do one thing, make this overnight oats for me at night and keep. I'll have my breakfast by myself. I won't even offer you. I love it. My favorite. And I love these pumpkin seeds. They taste so good. So my colleague was telling me about this coffee called Sunrise Espresso. So it seems it's made with orange juice, soda, and espresso shot. So I want to try it. I think it might taste good. The combination sounds good. By the way, this is just oats soaked overnight in orange juice and yogurt. And I put some pumpkin seeds because I love it. And honey, yeah, for the sweetener. And it's awesome. I can have this every day. Soak it every day at night for me. I will have it in the morning. I'm not going to offer you also. Don't you think, Stan? We should change the setup of our house. It's time, you know. Let's see how a few things can go here and there. What do you say?
I personally don't like changing the setup of the house. Huh? I don't know. My brain gets used to a certain change setup, and I don't like to change. So we'll just drag it. Chalo.
Okay, come. Wow.
Not bad, huh?
I know, right?
I'm also a part of it.
So come. You're watching a cartoon. It looks good, huh?
Yeah, it looks very nice.
It was my idea, by the way.
Okay. It was your idea. But hard work of everybody, right?
Yeah. Okay, so this was today's challenge. Okay, it was tough, but we did it and it looks nice. Okay, it's the hard work is fruitful.
Yeah.
Okay, so individually we three had taken a challenge for this year. Okay, like Marina, since last year she started reading her books and she's off social media. And Rihanna also this year she started reading book and she's completed around 7 books.
No, 6, right?
Okay, she's reading she's on her seventh book.
You're on her
Seventh book.
Yeah.
Okay, so it's good to take challenges. So you know what? If you are on this video till now, okay, I want you to take up a challenge. It can be anything simple, like brushing your teeth, from making your bed when you get up, or going for a walk. Anything. Okay, just take up this challenge. Okay, if you are ready to take up the challenge, just leave a comment below, right? Rihanna, I want you also to comment below what new challenge you're going to take up, and Marina, you also. And whoever is watching, just leave a comment below if you are accepting the challenge. Hit the like button, and I will see you again tomorrow, okay, for the day 2.